All right, finished off this car. It's all fenders on there, lined up okay. I have the little trim piece I gotta still put on her, and got the antenna on there, got the bumper on there. I got all this plastics put back in. Missing a couple clips though. I gotta pick some of those up, and bumpers on there. It's pretty good. One clip doesn't go in right there, but it's pretty good. Other than that one clip, where the clip goes, it broke off. I got a new fog light for that side because it was damaged, and we got a new rim in the trunk as well. All we gotta do is get a couple tires for the front and replace that rim with the new rim, and this thing will be ready for an alignment and ready to go on the road. It does go in drive and reverse now, the way it should. The linkage where it hooks up from the transmission underneath was disconnected when it got hit, so we just hooked that back up and it's all good now.